Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you 5 of the best remote jobs for beginners. So if you are thinking about start doing some remote jobs from the comfort of your home, you have stumbled across the right video. The first platform that I would recommend you go on is remote.co, and as you can see right here, here are some examples of entry-level remote jobs. You could simply go on as an appointment setter. And if I should tap on this one, you can see what is required, and you'll be able to earn a salary of $100 per day as an appointment setter at Speakeasy Marketing. And the locations that are available is US locations only at the moment, and it's 100% remote, as you can see here, as a complete freelancer part-time. And you can see what the job entails. As you can see, appointment setter wanted to call our list of leads, qualify them, and schedule strategy sessions. Did you hear the parable about the 3 bricklayers and so on? You can read more in detail as they break down it. And if I should scroll down on what does an appointment setter do, you can see here a description in a nutshell. We'll give you a daily list of warm leads, that is, attorneys and others who have responded to our various marketing campaign. We'll also give you a script that we know works because we have tested it many times, as well as a checklist of criteria to make sure prospects qualify. Your job is to call the people on the list, follow the script, make sure they qualify, and then schedule them for a strategy session with their specialists. And that's it. That's all you'll have to do, and you'll be able to make $100 per day. And you can see this means you'll need to make 150 calls, which will get you a conversation with between 10 to 20 prospects. And you can see this normally takes 4 to 5 hours. So this is definitely a good job to do as a complete beginner. And you can see the qualifications right here. All you need is persistence, reliance, dependability, and ambition, and that's it. So if you are good on sales and you're a fluent English speaker, you can definitely sign up to jobs like this as an appointment setter. I'm sure you probably didn't even know that this is possible, to get paid $100 per day to simply set appointments. You could also sign up to be a customer service representative. And I don't need to break down what that is, as I'm certain you know what that is. And you can also do some online tutoring. If you're a fluent English speaker or if you're good at a particular subject, you could do that also. And you can see numerous options on which you can sign up. And all of these are jobs that have been available in the near past. As you can see right here, the appointment setter job was available up to 7 days ago. And you can see, and another platform that I would recommend that you go on if you are planning to start doing some remote jobs is Indeed.com. And with Indeed.com, you can simply enter entry level right here and where you are from, and you can see here remote, then tap on find jobs. And if I should scroll down, you can sign up to be an entry-level finance operation rotationalist, depending on the experience that you have. And you can see with this remote job, you'll be able to work from the comfort of your home, and you can also get access to a 401k. And you can see also, if I should scroll down, you can sign up to be a junior Photoshop designer, entry-level right there, and that job pay $15 an hour. And you can see numerous other jobs available on Indeed.com. So this is definitely a good platform to sign up to and start doing some research if you are interested in doing remote jobs. Another platform that I would also recommend that you sign up to is FlexJobs.com. And with FlexJobs.com, you will not only find numerous remote jobs, but it is also very reliable, meaning that a lot of platforms put different freelancing jobs, but some of them, when you go on them, the persons that are offering the jobs want to pay you below par money or so on, With FlexJobs, you don't have to worry about that, as I've signed up to their freelancing. I have seen other persons that have done remote jobs that they have gotten on FlexJobs, and it normally works out good. And here you can see the top 10 career categories. So you could sign up to be a customer service rep. You can also do accounting and finance, administrative, medical and health, virtual admin, insurance, HR and recruiting. And if you are bilingual, if you are good with computer and IT, and if you are good in sales, you can find different categories of entry-level positions that you can fill on FlexJobs. And another platform that I would also recommend that you sign up with is ZipRecruiter.com. And on ZipRecruiter.com, you can see the average pay right here. You can see the median pay for the year is $56,000. And here you can see some entry-level jobs that are paying $18 per hour. Entry-level remote recruiter from home. And if I should scroll down, you can see different entry-level jobs that you can sign up with without any degree or any qualifications or anything like that. You can scroll down and you can see jobs that are paying up to $60. You can see right here. This one is paying $32 hourly. So there are numerous jobs available. And scratch that. This one is actually paying $60,000 per year. Yeah. There are numerous jobs available. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend that you sign up with Upwork, as Upwork is one of the best freelancing websites around, as they have been around for a very long time. So they are definitely reliable and they have numerous jobs available, as everyone basically, once they want someone to do some work for them online, Upwork is definitely in the top 3 freelancing websites they will visit. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.